We're almost done. Okay, so this is really similar to what we did in our first unit, okay? My real numbers are my like terms and my imaginary numbers are my like terms. Okay, so if I'm looking at number 1 here, is there anything to distribute in front of my parentheses? A +1, but that doesn't do anything, right? No. So if there's nothing to distribute in front of the parentheses, then they don't even need to be there. So then, does the -2 have a like term?
Huh?
Does the -2 have a like term?
Yes.
Yeah, the 7. Good. Because my real numbers are like terms and my imaginary numbers are like terms. So then -2 plus 7 is 5. Again, use your calculators to help you. Okay, are there any other like terms in this? Yeah, the i's, good. So -3 minus 6i, so minus 9i. Think of the i's like x's for now, okay? Think of the i's like x's for now. You can do that until we get to multiplication. Yeah? Ah, what a good question. So in our first unit, our standard form was always the variables first, right? But actually, standard form for imaginary numbers, because I isn't a variable, is the real number first plus the imaginary second. So because I is not a variable, it actually means the square root of negative number. This is the standard form. You do the real and then the imaginary and then the I after. Good question. Okay, what else? Anything else? Okay, let's try another one. How about number 2? Is there anything to distribute in front of the parentheses? Michael, go to the next page, please. 4 plus 5i plus 2 plus 3. Okay, any like terms? Yeah, the 4, the 2, and the 3 are all going to add together, and I get 9. What about the 5i? Anything to add with that one? No, good. Oh, my goodness. We're having a malfunction. Oh my goodness.
Ain't that the new laptop?
It's an iPad.
Oh, I said laptop, bro.
Okay. You guys are getting the hang of these addition ones. Let's try number 6. What's different about number 6? It's a negative. So that means I have to distribute the negative. So the first piece stays the same. Hopefully you guys are seeing how similar this is to what we did in our first unit, right?
Yeah.
So then those 2 negatives become a positive 5. Those 2 negatives become a positive 6i. Does the 3 have a like term? Yeah. Yep.
And then -8i, 6i.
Well, careful. What happens when I have -6i and 6i? They cancel, so there's no I anymore.
No I.
Look at that. So that one was a real number.
What's the science behind that?
We just went over it.
Oh.
Yeah. On the first page. Okay, let's try.
Can we try to do them by ourselves?
Yeah, that would be great. I want you guys to try 7 and 8. I'm going to walk around and answer questions. Try 7 and 8, and then we'll do the last thing for today, which is talking about multiplying.